Exercise 2b in De Moivre's theorem. First section, first question. Find all the values. Here some bits are given. This is our first bit. 1 minus I root 3 whole power 1 by 3. First of all, we should take 1 minus I root 3, which is in bracket. That is written like this. You can cancel so that you get same. That is, you are multiplying and dividing 2 here for this and this also. And in these two terms, 2 is common. So that you got this one. Half is written as cos minus pi by 3. Minus root 3 by 2 is written as sin minus pi by 3. Because cos is positive, sin is negative. It is possible only in fourth quadrant. Therefore, in fourth quadrant, angle is pi by 3 means minus pi by 3 is taken. So this can be written like this. You can see its explanation in the previous video. We can write like this. 2 into here LCM. 6k pi minus pi. Pi is common. 6k minus 1 into pi by 3. Here also same. In the question it is given that power 1 by 3. That is kept to both the sides. Power 1 by 3. Don't forget, 2 has power 1 by 3. Along with this, 2 also should have power 1 by 3. So 2 power 1 by 3. Next, rational index. This by 3 is sent inside. It will become 3 3s are 9 here. So values of this is 2 power 1 by 3. This can be written as 6k minus 1 into pi minus 9. Pi by 9, sorry. This is 2 power 1 by 3. You can write it as 6k minus 1 into pi by 9. Where k values are from 0 to 2. 0, 1, 2. Because its cube roots are required. Cube root means what? Only 3 roots. From 0. That's why k values are 0, 1, 2. Okay. Now second bit. Minus I whole power 1 by 6. Minus I. You can write minus I as 0 minus I. That is 0 plus I into minus 1. So cos minus pi by 2, sin minus pi by 2. Because when is it possible? Cos is positive, sin is negative means it should be in fourth quadrant. That's why we are taking minus pi by 2 here. And next step is like this. 2k pi. Next step, minus I is equal to this much. Here LCM. After taking LCM, same 2 comes. Here 4k pi. 4k pi minus pi means after taking pi common you get 4k minus 1 into pi. Let us see here. Put 1, take LCM, you get 4k pi. 4k pi minus pi. So when you take pi common, you get 4k minus 1 here. Okay. Like that we should take. Next, here in the question it is power 1 by 6. Put power 1 by 6 both the sides. Rational index. So by 6 should come here. It will become by 12. Okay. This can be written as 6. Okay. Here power 1 by 6 in the question. Therefore 6 values are required. Power 1 by 6 means 6 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They start from 0 always. So k value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that 6 roots will come. Next, third bit. Here 1 plus I whole power 2 by 3. Take 1 plus I first. Write it as 1 plus I into 1, which is cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Later on, put 2k pi for this. 2k pi plus pi by 4. Next in the question 2 by 3 is required. Power is 2 by 3 required. Power 2 by 3 kept both the sides. So when you take power 2 by 3 inside, it will become 2 pi by 12. Here LCM, we have taken LCM, don't forget. 4 to the 8k pi plus pi. Pi is common, 8k plus 1 into pi by 4. Here also same. Here 2 pi by 12. This can be written as cis. And here what is there in power? 2 by 3. By 3 means 3 cube roots will come. 0, 1, 2. For k values 0, 1 root. If you put 1 in this, you get another root. If you put 2, you get one more root. Fourth bit. If the question given is asked like this, how to do? Minus 16 whole power 1 by 4. First take minus 16. In that 16 is taken outside and inside minus 1 will be taken. Minus 16. 16 put same. Okay. And minus 1 plus I into 0 is how much? This is 0 plus 0 minus 1. That is minus 1. We can write it like this. So cos is negative, sin is positive. When is it possible? That is when pi, the value is pi. Cos pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0. Okay. And 16 cos pi plus I sin pi. Next, this can be written as 2k pi plus pi. So minus 16 is this much. Coming step is power 1 by 4 is kept. So power 1 by 4 should be taken to this also along with it. This can be written as 2 power 4. 2 power 4. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. Power 1 by 4. And here it is. By 4 is sent inside. It will become by 4. Pi by 4. Here 4 is cancelled. So you get only 2. 2 you can write it as cis. 2k plus 1 pi by 4. Here what is there in power? 1 by 4. Fourth root is required. Fourth roots are required means 4 roots. 0, 1, 2, 3. That is substitution of 0 in place of k. You get 1 root. If you put 1 here, you get second root. If you put 2 in it, simplify, you get third root. If you put 3 in it and do, you get fourth root. Okay, like that. Next, fifth bit. Here also same style, minus 32. 32 into minus 1, 32 into this one, 32 into this one. And here it is 2k pi plus pi. Here also. And what is required in the question? Power 1 by 5 is kept. And this 1 by 5 sent inside. And here also 5 is cancelled. So that you get only 2. This can be written as cis. And substitution of values of k here. What is there in question? 1 by 5. There are 5 roots from 0. 5 roots. You can count them, you get 5 roots. That's all. Dear Sweros, now second problem. If ABC are angles of a triangle such that x is equal to cis A, y is equal to cis B, z is equal to cis C, then find the value of z. Then find the value of xyz, not just z. I am sorry, this is to be taken as xyz. Okay, now let us see. These are the angles of a triangle. Means angle sum property says what? Total of 3 angles is 180 in triangle. So a plus b plus c is equal to pi. This is equation 1. And what are given in the question? X is equal to cis A, y is equal to cis B, z is equal to cis C. And what is required here? Requirement is x, y, z. So multiply all these values, that is x into y into z, RHS, cis A into cis B into cis C. There was a formula told you cis A into cis B will become cis A plus B. Like that, here 3 are there, 3 are added. Cis A plus B plus C. What is A plus B plus C? From 1 pi. So here cis pi. So how this step came? From 1 it came. Okay. And next step, cis pi can be written as cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0. So I into 0 is 0. Answer is minus 1. So value of xyz is minus 1. That's all. Next, third problem. In third problem, first bit, find the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 if x is equal to cis theta. This is the question. X is equal to cis theta given. This can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta. And what is required? We want the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. So first of all, let us go to x power 6. So put power 6 both the sides so that you get this step. And apply de Moivre's theorem. It will come inside. That is like this. This is x power 6. Now what is 1 by x power 6 here? How to write? This was already told you. This was also already told you. We change the symbol. X cos 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta. And now x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 means these are added. That is, these are added. All 4 terms. Now here I sin 6 theta has opposite symbols. That's why you can cancel those 2 terms. So how many cos 6 thetas remain? There are 2 cos 6 thetas. Add them. You get 2 cos 6 theta. That is answer. Coming to second bit. Find the cube root of 8. Cube root of 8 is required. That is, x cube is 8. X is equal to 8 power 1 by 3. This 3 when you take to this side will become 1 by 3. 8 can be written as 2 cube. 2 cube into 1. That is 8 ones are 8. 2 cube into 1 power 1 by 3. And write separately. 2 cube whole power 1 by 3 into 1 power 1 by 3. That is 2 power 3 by 3. Here 3 cancel. So you get only 2. 2 into 1 power 1 by 3. We want cube roots of 1. What are those? They are 1 comma omega square. That is 2 ones are 2. 2 into omega 2 omega. 2 into omega square is 2 omega square. These are 3 cube roots of given 8. That's all. Now coming to fourth question. If 1 omega square are cube roots of unity, then we have to prove all the bits. First bit. 1 by 2 plus omega plus 1 by 1 plus 2 omega is equal to 1 by 1 plus omega. Take LHS. This is LHS. And take LCM. You get this number here and this will come here. And see, like terms, add them. 3 plus 3 omega. Multiply these two. 2 ones are 2. 2 into 2 omega, 4 omega. Omega ones are omega. Omega into 2 omega, 2 omega square. 3 common. Omega plus 1 remains. Here, write 2 omega square are there. Along with them, this 4 omega is split like this. 2 omega plus 3 omega. I will repeat it. We are going to write in this form. So, we want 2 omega square. 2 omega square is there, 2 is there. But we want 2 omega in it. That is, this is total 5 omega. In 5 omega, you are going to separate 2 omega plus 3 omega. That is seen here. So, in these three terms, 2 is common. 1 plus omega square is written in bracket, plus 3 omega. And in the numerator, 1 plus omega is minus omega square. Why? 1 plus omega square is 0, no? So, when you write 1 plus omega, it will become minus omega square. In this place, you are going to write minus omega square. This is a numerator. Divided by, this will become 0. You can see here. So, 2 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 omega is 3 omega. Here 3 cancel and 1 omega is cancelled. So what is required? What is remained here? Minus omega. This minus omega is not our RHS. In RHS there is 1 plus omega as denominator. So multiply and divide 1 plus omega here so that you get this step. By 1 plus omega and upwards in numerator multiply minus omega square. Then or in other words minus is kept here only, omega is sent inside, omega plus omega square. What is omega plus omega square in the formula? Omega plus omega square is equal to plus 1 when you take to other side will become minus 1. So, in this place put minus 1. Already there is minus. One more minus came. It will become 1 because minus into minus plus. So, this is RHS in the question. Next, second bit. 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square into 2 minus omega power 10 into 2 minus omega power 11 is to prove that its value is 49. In LHS, take these two terms first. 2 minus omega power 10, 2 minus omega power 11. So, omega power 10, how many omega cubes are there out of 10? That is omega power 10. Omega cube into omega. So, omega cube whole cube into omega. So, its value is 1, no? So, it will become 1 cube is 1. 2 minus omega remains. Here, 2 minus omega power 11. That also can be written as omega cube whole cube into omega square. So, this will become 1. 2 minus omega square. There is 2 minus omega. Okay, now let us take LHS as it is. In that, first two terms are same. In place of 2 minus omega power 10, put 2 minus omega. In place of 2 minus omega power 11, put 2 minus omega square. Because their values are there. Here they are double. 2 minus omega 2 times, 2 minus omega square 2 times. So, these two binomials have same power. So, take power common, whole square. Write 2 minus omega square product in a bracket. Multiply. There are 4 terms. 2 2s are 4. 2 into omega square, 2 omega square. 2 into omega, 2 omega, omega cube. But don't forget, write correct symbols. Plus, here minus, here minus, here plus. Next step, minus 2 omega square are there. Okay. And this omega cube is kept same. Okay. And here also we want minus 2. So 4 is written as 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 how much? 4. So 4 is written as minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6. Why? Because minus 2 is taken common in the next step. That's why. And here omega cube same, whole square. And when you take minus 2 common, inside of the bracket, here 1 remains. Here omega square. Its value is 0. You can see in the previous problem here. That's why it will become 0. Here 6 plus omega cube is 1. 6 plus 1, 7 square. 7 sevens are 49 RHS. You can see that here. Now third bit. Product of these three terms is this much is to be proved. Okay. We put it same. We are taking only second and third and multiply. Come on. Second one is taken here. Third one is taken here. Multiplying in column method. That is x into x square, x into y omega, xy omega, x into z omega square, xz omega square. First line 3 terms over. In second line y omega square into x, xy omega square. So we are writing like terms in a column, no? That's why xy omega square should be written below this number. Next what? Y square omega cube. So there is no omega cube term. That's why it is written separately. Y square omega cube. It is yz omega power 4 here. Over. With second 3 terms over. With the third also 3 terms will come. They are these. Z omega into x, xz omega. These are like terms, omega terms. And these yz omega square, yz omega square. Next z square omega cube term. Now add x square. Something is to be observed by you, that is omega cube is how much? Actually 1. So here y square omega cube means y square into 1. That is y square. Z square into omega cube means z square. X square is already there. X square plus y square plus z square. And next what to do? We are going to take xy common. See where is xy? Here and here also. Is there any xy other than these two? No. So xy is common in both these terms. Then what happened? Omega plus omega square remains here. Next yz terms are 2. You can see them here and here. What is common in them? Okay. And yz into omega square plus omega power 4. This omega square is taken already. Omega power 4 is nothing but omega. Why? Because omega power 4 is omega cube into omega. 1 into omega. So omega power 4 is omega cube into omega. Total 4. Omega cube is 1, no? 1 into omega is omega. That's why here it is omega. When you take yz common in these two, you get omega plus omega square inside the bracket. Next zx. xz is nothing but zx. So these two. Here also omega plus omega square is common. Okay. Next step, these are same. Here what happened? See, omega plus omega square. I don't want to go to back and I will show you here only. 1 plus omega square is 0. Then what is omega plus omega square? Plus 1 when you take to other side will become minus 1 here. So in the place of 1 omega plus omega square, put minus 1. Then it will become what? Minus xy. This one also minus yz. This is also minus zx. There is one more term left over. First one, x plus y plus z into Product of these two, that is this one. So this total one which is kept in bracket is equal to what? In which form is it? Observe it carefully. Again go back to 9th class algebra. It is in this form: a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to what? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. That is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is to be proved. We got it. So, dear children, try to understand.